Welcome to the channel, guys. Today we're going to go in great detail and talk about how we can actually start dropshipping and open a store in a proper way by using AI technology. Guys, it's been a huge, massive change dynamically into the shift of the paradigm of what is happening in this industry at this moment in time. And we need to harness and understand this power that is coming into this arena with the artificial intelligence. How can we use artificial intelligence when we're doing dropshipping? That is what we're going to show you in today's video. So stick around till the end to find out what you need to do. The first thing that you should do is head over to shopify.com. This is a global commerce platform where you can build your business with Shopify to sell online, offline, and everywhere in between, and discover the reason why millions of entrepreneurs are choosing Shopify to build their business. And the best thing is that you can develop the store the way you want it and build an online storefront the way that you like and bring your vision to life with their simple drag and drop store creator. You can craft the brand that you want and level up with the apps that are available on Shopify. You can sell to every buyer everywhere, and the best thing, it has the best converting checkout on the planet with a flexible point of sale to power your retail store. And more than that, you can reach new leads, engage with customers, and use the data to build your business and oversee operation and fulfill every single order and manage the money where you make it. If you want to start, just click on start the free trial, answer a few questions, and you can head over to your dashboard. This is what your dashboard looks like. Now guys, we want to put a new product, but what product do we put? Where do we get this product from? And obviously, what information do we require about this product? How do we do this? It's quite simple. Head over to chatgpt. This is an AI that's available that can give you the answer to any question that you give. The first thing that we're going to ask is that, how do you start dropshipping with Shopify? Now we ask a simple, straightforward question to ChatGPT, that how do you start dropshipping with Shopify? It will analyze this question. It will gather all the data that's available and then give us the information for this, stating starting a dropshipping business with Shopify is relatively straightforward. It involves the following step: research, conducting market research to identify a niche with high demand, low competition, and good profit margin. Now, the thing over here that I want to highlight is that once we ask the question to ChatGPT, we're going to use the AI to develop our store. We're not going to do any sort of primary research. We're not going to do any secondary research. We're going to rely on artificial intelligence to give us what we need and obviously support us step by step in the whole development in our store. And that is the reason why I always mention to everyone to understand and use this power that's available to us in this internet age, because the world has changed and evolved and is evolving at a very high speed. If you understand these aspects, if you understand and recognize the power of AI and how to use this power of AI, you'll be able to develop yourself and break away from the chains of 9 to 5 and get the financial freedom that you always wanted, and obviously have the peace of mind that you require. So let's look at this absolutely brilliant element over here where they say that the first thing that you need to do is research and conducting market research to identify a niche with high demand and low competition. Then we select the supplier, then we set up a Shopify store, then we add products and set the prices. So what we're going to do is we're going to ask that what niche has high demand. That's the first thing. So we're going to ask ChatGPT to give us this information. Now, obviously, what ChatGPT does is quite interesting because it actually goes into a great amount of research and finds and identifies the market trends and looks at the various factors. And then based on that, it gives us different elements. For example, dropshipping growth and high demand is in health and wellness products, home and living products, fashion and accessories, pet supplies, electronic and gadgets such as smartphones, headphones, and smart home devices, and even baby products such as diapers, strollers, and toys. And obviously, once it's given these elements to us, what are we going to do is quite simple. If we look at the electronic and gadget element over here is headphones. So we're going to select headphones from here and just copy this from here. Once we copy it, the element over here I'm going to show you is the fact that the second step is identifying and selecting a reliable supplier who can provide quality product and has a fast delivery time. And you can consider using suppliers or directors or marketplaces such as Oberolo or AliExpress. Let's head over to AliExpress.com. Now this is AliExpress.com. So what we do, we search for headphones. Now as we do that, what's going to happen is that we're going to give a complete breakdown of what headphones are available. And this is where the brilliant element comes in. Look at the amount that have been sold. 10,000 of these have been sold for $8.75. 3,000 plus have been sold for $2.57. 100,000 have been sold for $7.31. This literally means this one product has made more than $500,000. And this is the beauty of ChatGPT. What it has done is that it has understood the requirements, has done the research for us, and given us this opportunity. Now let's look at this particular product that was for 100,000 that have been sold. Let's click on it and see what kind of product this is. Now this is a description of a particular product. So what do we do now? We head back over to our Shopify. Now once we do that, you'll see an option over here that says products. Let's click on it, and now we can actually add the products that we want. Now a lot of people say that it's quite difficult to find what kind of product do you want to put in, what do we need to do. So what we're going to say is that we're going to go to ChatGPT and ask us to give us a title for a headphone to put in Shopify. Now as we say that, what it's going to do is it's going to give us a title that we can use when we're selling a particular headphone on Shopify. Now guys, you got to remember something, that the power of AI is quite interesting because it gives you the element of research and it does the research for you. It's going to give us a couple of titles for you to use in our Shopify account. Now as you can see, the first one is premium wireless headphones, experience the ultimate sound quality. Now what this has done is that it's grabbed the attention of the buyer. Noise cancelling headphones, tune out the world and focus on your music. Now you can clearly see there's multiple options that ChatGPT has given to us, and we can select the one that we want. Now this is quite interesting. Bluetooth sports headphones, perfect for workout and outdoor activities. Let's take this, let's copy this from here and head back or to our product over here. Let's add the product over here. Now what we're going to do is we're going to ask ChatGPT to stop generating it and then give us a product description for the Bluetooth sports headphones that are perfect for workout and outdoor activities. Now, as you can see, what this is going to do is absolutely brilliant. We don't need to write anything. We don't need to do anything at all. All this information is going to be given to us by AI. Now, the beauty of it, the search engine optimization has already been built into this element over here, and it has researched and found out the right words to use so they can actually get ranked on different platforms when you publish this particular product. Now, as you can see, it's going in great detail and talking about all the elements that are available that customers want to find out, because what it does is it does the research itself and goes into the internet world and goes into the web and finds all the information that is required. So we're going to copy this information as it gets completed, and then we're going to head back over here and put this information over here. Now, as you can see, all this information is available over here. Now we're going to see the pricing that's going to be available. So we're going to ask ChatGPT to give us a price range for this particular product. Now the price range obviously depends on the brand and all the elements over here. So they're saying it's from between $30 to $150. So obviously we need to make sure that we actually select the right product over here. So we're going to go for at least $45. We have seen over here with the wireless headphones that we're looking at, these were $7.31. So we can easily put the price range over here, obviously at, for example, $50. Now this is the beauty of the element over here. Now the inventory is there, the shipping elements over here, and all the variants and information is going to be here. Now you can clearly see all this information, and the way that's going to be displayed on the search engine is available over here. So as you can see, all these factors now have been built in by the use of ChatGPT, and you can do this for multiple products, and you can create multiple products the way that you want it. And if you want to find out more elements over here, you can always subscribe to our channel, because our purpose is to give you the proper insight and give you the right strategy that you can use to enhance, scale your business, and take it to heights that is never known before. Now, if you got any questions whatsoever, you can always ask us in the comment section down below, and I'll be more than happy to help you, support you, assist you, and to guide you. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, guys, do subscribe to the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon. Share this video with your friends and family, and stay tuned for our next video. Until then, take care.